Students, steps. There are steps. First, we do prepare P&L appropriation account. Continuously, we have to prepare partner's capital or current account. If you see fluctuating capital method in the question, you have to prepare partner's capital account. If they mention in the question fixed capital method, we should prepare partner's capital account and also partner's current accounts. Is it clear? See, first P&L appropriation account should be prepared. After preparing this P&L appropriation account, we have to prepare partner's capital account if there is fluctuating method, partner's current account and partner's capital account if there is fixed capital method. These are the steps. But for the state syllabus students, P&L appropriation account alone can be asked in 6 marks. They don't ask partner's capital or current account in 6 marks or in 14 marks. But this partner's capital or current account they can ask in practical oriented questions. They can ask in 5 mark. But for the CBSE students, this P&L appropriation account and any one method they can ask in 8 mark. So you should practice. For the same problem, I am going to prepare partner's capital account. Under which method? Fluctuating method. Shall we do? Yes. Do you remember the given values in the question? So what are the given values we have taken in the question? Net profit I have written, then I have written interest on drawings, then I have written, see here once again you do recall, net profit, interest on drawings, interest on capital, then salary, then I have written commission. This net profit we can't use here in partner's capital or current account. This interest on drawings can be taken, interest on capital can be taken, salary and also commission. And very importantly, P&L appropriation value should be taken to the partner's capital account. See, make you clear the same question. First, I prepared what? P&L appropriation account because I need the share of profit for the partners. So, I calculated in P&L appropriation account that profit we have transferred to partners capital or current account. Do you remember what we did in that P&L appropriation account? What we did? See here, in P&L appropriation account, we transferred this profit to partners capital or current account, which is very important. Only this value we will take when we prepare partners capital account. Only this value. To know this value, we prepared P&L appropriation account. To know this balance, we prepared P&L appropriation account. First we prepared and we calculated the share of profit for Sachin 12,000, for Pratham 8,000. After this, we are going to prepare partners capital account under which method? Fluctuating method. Fluctuating method means there is only one ledger. What is that ledger? Partners capital accounts. Do you remember the table? Date, particulars, JF, Sachin, Pratham. Here partners capital account we have to create a columns for partners, which we have not created in P&L appropriation account because it was forms. Date, particulars, JF, Sachin and Pratham. Shall we do this and do recall? Here all the incomes of the partners. What are the incomes of the partners? Interest on capital is an income to the partner. Salary is an income to the partner. Commission is an income to the partners. and share of profit from P&L appropriation is an income to the partners. All these values we do enter here on credit side. Once again, I will do recall. We are preparing partners capital account. So you should remember what are the incomes. What are the incomes the partners are going to get it from the firm. First one is interest on capital. The firm will pay to the partner. Second one is salary. The firm will pay to the partners. Next one is commission. Once again, the firm will pay to the partners. These are the incomes the partners will receive from the firm. Easy to remember this ledger. And next one is P&L appropriation account, share of profits. You know that share of profit is a credit value. Got? These are the incomes. And what are the expenses to the partners? Interest on drawings. Why it is an expense? Because the partner will pay that interest to the firm. And one more is drawings. Drawings is a debit balance. So we should show this drawings on debit side. Do you remember what are the credit values? Interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit. Then on debit side, drawings and interest on drawings. That's all. Only one more I have not mentioned, that is opening balance of capital. We should start this partners capital account with the opening balance. On 1/4/2018 by balance brought down. This is about opening balance. Do you remember the opening balance means capital value which is given in the question. See, capital values are how much? 1,80,000. That should be written here as what? Opening value. So 1 lakh for Sachin, 80,000 for Pratham. Clear? We have written what? Opening balance of what? Capital. Just forget that P&L appropriation and do remember the partner's capital account format. And next one is by interest on capital account. See, for Sachin, 1 lakh into 5 by 100, he gets 5,000. For Pratham, 80,000 into 5 by 100, he gets 4,000. Which you know already, we have done this in P&L appropriation account. Interest on capital is an income to the partner. So we have to show this on credit side. And next, whose salary? Remember, whose salary? Salary is for whom? Pratham. 6,000. So 6,000 only to whom? Pratham. Okay. And next, by commission. Commission is only to whom? Sachin. 4,000. There is no commission for Pratham. Why do we write salary here on credit? Because it is an income to the partners. Commission is also an income to the partners because the partner will receive this from the firm. And next one, you do recall in partners in P&L appropriation account. See here, in P&L appropriation account, 2 profit transferred to partners capital. 2 will be transferred there as what? By. Which ledger we are copying? P&L appropriation. So by P&L appropriation. Are you getting? Yes. By P&L appropriation account. In another way you can remember, it is about the share of profit. Profit is a credit value. We should show this credit value on credit side. You can remember like this also. Okay. Yes. Here 12,000 we calculated for Sachin. 8,000 we calculated for Pratham. So these are the credit values we have written here on credit side of partners capital account. What is the first value? opening balance of capital, which is 1,80,000 for Pratham. 1 lakh for Sachin, 80,000 for Pratham. Next we calculated interest on capital. 1 lakh into 5 by 100, 5,000. 80,000 into 5 by 100, 4,000. Next is what? Salary, only for Pratham. Commission only for Sachin. P&L appropriation, share of profit. Is it clear? Yes. Next we write drawings. How much drawings? How much drawings it was given in the question? Drawings amount was 16,000 for Sachin and 20,000 for Pratham. Second, show this, otherwise you don't understand. Here you see drawings. When I explained this, I have mentioned this is only to post this to partners capital or current account. Sachin's drawing is 16,000 and Pratham's is how much? 20,000. This drawings we have not used in P&L appropriation. We are using this in partners capital account. Then it is a debit balance, so we do show this on debit side. Interest on drawings account. Interest on drawing for Sachin 1,000, for Pratham 2,000. Is it clear? Only two debit values and remaining all the items are what? Credit, because these are the incomes to the partners and these two are what? This one is expense to the partner and this drawing is a debit balance. Okay? Yes. Date I do mention, remaining all the entries on closing date. 31/3/19, 31/3/19, 31/3/19, 31/3/19 and 31/3/19, except this opening balance. Okay? We shall total this. If we total, how much we get? Here credit side the total is more. So we write here on credit side, the total we write. How much is for Sachin? Sachin's total is 1,21,000. For Pratham, 98,000. If you add these all, you will get 1,21,000. If you add these all, you will get 98,000. The same total I show here on debit side. Okay? See. Now we have to find what? Balance. How to find balance? From this total, we should deduct these two values. What is the total here? 1,21,000 for Sachin. 1,21,000 minus 16,000 and minus 1,000. I get the balance of 1,04,000. For Pratham, 98,000 minus 20,000 and 2,000. I get the balance of 76,000. This should be written here as balance carry down. See here, this is opening balance and this is what? Closing balance after doing all these adjustments. 31/3/2019. This is about closing balance. This closing balance will become opening balance to the next year, 1/4/2019, by balance brought down. Okay, this opening value only for partners capital or current account. You should not do it for the P&L appropriation, because in P&L appropriation the balance considered there as profit and it was shared between the partners. 1,04,000 and here it is 76,000. Is it clear? This is about partners capital account under fluctuating method. If there is a question to prepare fixed partners capital account under fixed capital method, how can we prepare? See, here this is case 2. If they ask you to maintain under fixed capital method, we have to prepare how many ledgers? Two. One is partner's capital account and another one is partner's current accounts. Clear? Either fluctuating or fixed. Any one you have to do. I am doing for your understanding. If I compare these two methods for the same problem, you can understand better. So that I am doing these two methods for the same problem. Okay? Yes. Partners under fixed capital method, first ledger is what? Partners capital accounts. 1/4/2018. 1/4/2018. So opening date. First, I should start this with opening balance. Is what? Opening balance. You can remember because 3 times we have repeated. 1 lakh for Sachin, 80,000 for Pratham. See here, 1 lakh for Sachin, 80,000 for Pratham. Once again I repeat, we are preparing capital account under fixed method. So first ledger is what? Partners capital accounts. And this we have to write what? Opening balance on the opening date. Opening balance. How much? 1,80,000. In the question there is no additional capital, so I cannot write. If there is additional capital, I should show. The drawings, what it is given in the question, it is against profit I consider. So I don't write here drawings. Only the permanent withdrawal on capital should be written here. Okay, that drawing is against profit. So I am not writing. So only one value in partners capital account we do total. 1 lakh, here 80,000. The same total I do write here on debit side. Nothing is there to deduct. The same amount we show here as what? Balance. This balance is what? To balance carry down, that is closing balance on 31/3/2019. See here, opening balance and closing balance both are same. That is why capital is fixed under fixed method. Partners capital account, in partners capital account, opening and closing values are same because capital is fixed. If you have additional capital and drawings, it may get what? Change. In this question, there is no additional capital and there is no drawing, that is permanent withdrawal. So we have not included. This can be opened to the next year by writing by balance brought down 1 lakh and here it is 80,000. Clear? First ledger under fixed method we have done. And second ledger under fixed method is partners current account. Shall we do? Under partners current account, we have to write only the adjustments except capital. The adjustments you do recall. See here under fluctuating method we have written with what? Here we have written with what? Opening capital. Except this, all these adjustments should be entered there in current account. All these values should be entered. That's all. Shall we? First one is what? By interest on capital. See, there is no opening value for current account, so I am not writing. If it is given in the question, we should write credit balance on credit side, debit balance on debit side. Here in this question, they have not given, so I am not writing. Okay, interest on capital. For Sachin, already we calculated 1 lakh into 5/100, that is 5,000. For Pratham, 80,000 into 5/100, that is 4,000. Okay, next by salary. Salary only to whom? Pratham, 6,000. Then by commission only to whom? Sachin, How much? 4,000. Next, by P&L appropriation account. 12,000 for Sachin, 8,000 for Pratham. Is it clear? I have not written balance because this is current account. We have written the opening balance of capital here in capital account. This is the reason. To do comparison, I am doing on the same sheet. It's only the adjustment. These are income to the partner, so we do show here on credit side. What is the first one? Interest on capital. Second one is salary. Next one is commission. Next one is P&L appropriation. This is about profit. Profit is a credit balance, so we should show this on credit side. Clear? What are the debit values? See here, I do show the closing date also. Drawings. How much is the drawings? 16,000 and 20,000. Okay. Then it's a debit balance, so we do write here on debit side. Next one is interest on drawings. 1,000 and 2,000. Clear? Yes. Interest on capital is an income to the partner, so show it on credit side. Salary and commission are also income to the partners, so show it on credit side. P&L appropriation, their profit was calculated, so that was transferred. So this profit is a credit value, so we should show it on credit side. And here drawings, it is a debit value, show it on debit. Interest on drawings is an expense to the partners, so show it on debit side. So be clear in you, whenever you prepare partners capital or current account, consider the items by keeping the partners in your mind. To the partner it is income or expense, that's all. When you prepare P&L appropriation, you have to imagine the firm. To the firm, whether it was income to or expense, you have to imagine like this. Otherwise you do commit mistake. To avoid the mistakes, you have to think as a partner. As a partner, what and all you will receive, what and all you will pay. Okay? Yes. Here, shall we do balance? Here, the total on here. Total on credit side. Here there are changes. So first I will do for the Sachin. Sachin's values you see 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 12,000. How much? 21,000. For whom? Sachin. I think Sachin's credit value is more. So 21,000 I have total here on credit side. The same total I will write here on debit. From this I deduct 16,000 and 1,000. 17,000. If I deduct, I will get balance of what? 4,000. This balance should be written here as to balance carry down on 31,319. Is it clear? Here on credit side, Sachin's total is more. How much? 21,000. Same total I have written on debit side. From this I have deducted these two. I'll get the balance of 4,000. I have written that balance as balance carry down. See here for Pratham, debit side the total is more. 20 plus 22, 22,000. 20 plus 2,000, 22,000. Here 4, 6, 8, 18,000, which is more. This side it is more. So write this total here. It may vary. Cannot expect the same balance for both the partners. 22,000. Same total I do write here on credit side. From this 18,000 you deduct, you will get the balance of 4,000. I write balance carry down here also. 31,319. See, be clear in you. It shows it is deficit. It shows it is surplus. Pratham's deficit value is there. That means his expenses are more, that is debit values are more than the credit values. So 4,000 is deficit. He has to bring this 4,000 to the firm and should pay. That is why it is deficit. For partner Sachin, he has excess income over the expense. So he got surplus of 4,000. He need not pay, he will receive from the firm. Have you understood? Yes. This 4,000 is a deficit of Pratham. He has to bring this 4,000 and should pay to the firm. But this 4,000 is surplus to Sachin. So this will be taken by the Sachin. Got? Yes. So one value on 1,419. Here we have to transfer. Balance brought down how much? 4,000. And another value we show here to balance for Pratham. This is for Sachin. Is it clear?